This is Jonah, a prophet, a man who hears from God. One day, God gives Jonah a mission. Go to the city of Nineveh and tell them to stop doing wrong things. But Jonah didn't want to go to Nineveh. He didn't like the people there. So instead of obeying, he ran the other way. He jumped on a ship heading far, far from Nineveh. But while Jonah's trying to hide, a huge storm hits. The crew panics, the ship rocks, everyone's scared. Jonah says, "This is because of me. I ran from God." He tells them to throw him overboard to calm the sea. Jonah is swallowed by a huge fish. Inside the belly of the fish, it's dark, wet, and smelly. But it's also quiet. And there, Jonah prays, "God, I'm sorry. I'll do what you asked. I'll go to Nineveh." 3 days later, the fish spits Jonah out onto dry land. And guess what? Jonah goes to Nineveh and shares God's message. The people listen. They say sorry and change their ways. Jonah learned something important. Even when we mess up, God gives second chances. And when we listen to him, amazing things can happen.